package. Inside the package there is a power adapter and a magnetic cable. Sadly, the coupling between the two is not very solid, and it is very easy to unhook it by mistake. Build quality. The design of the Casio WSD F20 has changed slightly compared to its predecessor. The flat crown around the display has disappeared in favor of a much thicker and even showier plastic frame, embedded in the metal shell of the watch. We also see visible screws and the attachment for the plastic bracelet, particularly comfortable. There is one thing that did not change: the WSD F20 remains a very big smartwatch, and is not suitable for slender wrists. The design is quite bold, but for many it will be okay to wear it every day. Excellent: the MIL STD810G certification that guarantees resistance to shocks, dust, and diving up to 165 feet deep. Just what you'd expect from a rugged watch. On the right side there are 3 physical buttons that are easy to press even with gloves. Hardware. It sports a Snapdragon Wear 2100 processor, 512 MB of RAM and 4 GB of internal memory. We also have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. It is also equipped with GPS that allows this ProTrek model to be a worthy hiking companion. There is also a pressure sensor and a microphone. The speaker is the only thing missing. Display. We have a 1.32-inch screen with a resolution of 320 by 300 pixels. The display, besides being sufficiently bright, has the added advantage of having a second monochrome screen that allows for increased autonomy. Software. It runs Android Wear 2.0, which allows you to launch apps independently from the smartphone. The interface has also been redesigned for greater simplicity. The real reason to choose a ProTrek is its outdoor sports tracking software. Throughout the day this watch will track all your movements, but you can also start a dedicated tracking session of fishing, hiking, skiing, canoeing or biking, and it will display a whole series of real-time information about your current activity. Autonomy. The built-in battery ensures about 2 days of use using the digital watch face that saves power when in standby. Final verdict. The Casio WSD F20 solves the biggest drawback of its predecessor, and thus becomes an excellent compromise between a trekking watch and a smartwatch. It is targeted at a specific niche of users, that will find in this ProTrek probably everything they were looking for.